The coastline of Guernsey ranges from dramatic towering cliffs to stunning blue water and golden beaches. But what is the best way to admire this incredible scenery? Well, it is this right here. In this week's video, guys, with summer quickly on its way and us packing our bags ready to leave, we're going to be reminiscing about some of the most beautiful spots around the island of Guernsey that are just perfect for stand-up paddleboarding. This is a guide to the top 5 stand-up paddleboarding spots around the coastline of Guernsey. Now, if you are actually interested in giving stand-up paddleboarding a try, the paddleboard that we personally use is one from Bluefin Sups, and it's a 12-foot paddleboard that is just perfect for 2 people as a couple, or if you're a beginner and you're wanting to try it out by yourself. We do actually have an affiliate link, guys, so if you click on that button down below and browse our blog, that will tell you all about this paddleboard and why we love it so much. We do get a small amount of commission, so we would greatly appreciate it if you could buy the stand-up paddleboard through that link. So one of the unique things about Bluefin's paddleboards that we really like is that instead of it just forming into like a kind of collapsible paddleboarding paddle, you can also combine it with another paddle and use it as a kayak. When it's paired with the wee backrest that we were just attaching, it means that 2 people can sit on the kayak, paddle along like that instead. And if you want to get one for yourself, you can actually read more about the Bluefin paddleboard on our website, or you can just have a look down at the link below in the description box. If you do actually want to read more about the stand-up paddleboarding spots in Guernsey, we do have a full guide on our website that you can click the URL in the description box down below. But for now, let's get stuck into the top 5 spots. To kick it all off, let's start on the western coast of the island, just south of the main harbour of St Peter Port. Sheltered by the land on one side and the castle pier on the other, with the beautiful outline of Castle Cornet overlooking you, Havelet Bay is the perfect place to try out some sup. On a calm day, the water of Havelet Bay is as still as a pond, perfect for beginners of the sport, and it also has plenty of pretty interesting views along the coast and gives a unique angle of the castle from the sea. On the northern end of the island sits the sheltered and sloping sand of Ladies Bay, which at high tide offers a spot protected by the pier that stretches out across the bay. Once again, this bay is perfect for stand-up paddleboarding, as the water at high tide is pretty much as still as a pond due to the protection of this outstretched jetty. Drippy, drippy.
That's lovely. Oh, there's lots of people jumping in off the pier over there. Oh.
It seems that the sun's come out in Guernsey and suddenly people just think it's a bit of summer.
Very cool. It's literally running down my back. Right, stop. Enough.
Once the water heats up, or if you're not as much of a wuss as us, Ladies Bay is also a lovely place to come and enjoy a swim in the sea, followed by a stunning Guernsey sunset. Exploring the rugged cliffs of the southern coast of Guernsey, one of our favourite spots for stand-up paddleboarding is the sheltered area of Saints Bay. Where's this wee road seem to go? Ah, that's where that is. We have seen this all over Instagram, and apparently this is where it actually is. And we've seen pictures of people like setting up picnic blankets and stuff up there. It looks like quite a cute little place. Looks like a kind of boat storage place with a slip road, wee slip ramp down into the water down there, and a cracking view out to sea as well.
Common place for like the divers to come. It's like a really easy access into the water.
Yeah, because I've got like a boat winch.
Yeah.
And then there's like a wee decking up there. You can come and enjoy a wee bottle of wine. Coming from this slipway, I think in order to get to the actual Saints Bay, all you need to do is head away from the car park up this hill where Gemma's going just now, and I believe at the tower there's like a little staircase you can go down to actually get to Saints Bay Beach. So that's where we're going to go and check out now and see if my beliefs are actually correct. And this is what you can expect to find at the bottom of the hill. We've got a nice wee toilet block and a kiosk, I think, but that's good, there is actually toilets. So guys, Saints Bay, beautiful little spot. Just unfortunate now that we've got the hard task of getting all the way back up the hill to the car. Bear that in mind, there's a little bit of climbing if you want to drive to Saints Bay. Once you're done exploring this area, it is easy to set up your paddleboard at the sloping boat ramp that we saw earlier at low tide. This area offers a natural launching spot for the paddleboard, however be very careful you don't slip on the wet rocks like I did many times.
So we're sitting and tapping away on our laptops, looking out the window at this glorious sunshine and thinking, gosh, we have so many pictures of Guernsey that are great. We need to get out and actually get some pictures that have some sun in them. So we decided to come out on the paddleboard, but obviously it's just me out on the paddleboard. We had a bit of trouble actually trying to get into the water. We launched off some rocks. And yeah, Campbell's just away to get the drone and he's just gonna film me out on the paddleboard. Maybe he'll come in after. And there he is, never far away. He spotted me. I suppose I should get back to some paddling. Terrifying coming in.
I reckon it might be easier over there now, to be honest.
Yeah, I think so.
So I think that was easy enough with two people actually coming back out, because Gemma just managed to charge at the ramp. I grabbed the front of the boards and then just hoiked her up the ramp. But I would say if you're wanting to stand up paddleboards at Saints Bay, either come at the higher end of the tide, so it's like on the ramp so it gets deeper like really quickly, or just do it from the beach. Like you can easily access the beach and it's not a problem from there. As one of Guernsey's most popular beaches, no list would be complete without a mention of the beautiful Cobo Bay. Located in the northwestern coast of the island, Cobo is a sloping beach with natural launching spots between the rocky outcrops. It is a hugely popular for all kinds of water activities, from kayaking to stand-up paddleboarding and just also general sea swimming. If you are going to try and time a visit to Cobo for a sup, I would highly recommend heading here for one of Guernsey's classic jaw-dropping sunsets.
So we literally packed up the camera, started walking back to the car, and the sky just went boom! Explosion of pink, and it is absolutely stunning. I love this island so much.
Another hidden beach on the southern coast of the island, guarded by cliffs and ancient towers, is a landing known as Petit Bot. This beach is another perfect example of the wide variety of coastal views that Guernsey has to offer, with its towering cliffs and caves completely contrasting the golden sands of the northern coast.
Inside of our embassy, everything we need right here. Make me sing along.
I think this is the first time I've actually been paddleboarding at Petit Bot, and it's a cracking place to come and do it because you've got all the cliffs and the caves and everything to explore around here. And it's a really beautiful part of Guernsey because it's just so up compared to Cobo or Basil where we use the paddleboard. It's pretty rocky today. Whoa! It is also the perfect place to relax and enjoy the beautiful view with a post-paddle ice cream. So there you have it guys, proof that Guernsey is simply made for stand-up paddleboarding. Now if you want to read about any of these locations in more detail, as I said, you can check out our full guide in the description box below, and also read our full review on the stand-up paddleboard that we use to see if it's the perfect one for you. Now if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you found it inspiring, make sure you share it with your friends and family so that they know where to stand up paddleboard this summer. And also guys, hit that subscribe button, join the Highlands to Hammocks gang and join us wherever else in the world where our next adventure might be, and we'll see you again in the next one. Literally just tripped as I said that, and I think I pulled my hamstring. Oh. Figured I better just record this in case you do fall.
Oh! Please don't let me fall.
Not that I want to, it's just if you are going to, I may as well do it.
Sure.
And they said it makes it worth it.
Yes, then you can make some money off your being framed.
Yeah, exactly, 50 quid off you being framed. Get you.
Worth it.
I never told you this, but before I met you I was actually a world champion at kayaking.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah.
That's very convenient for me right now. I know, Campbell, you're going straight for that pole.
Mush! So I don't need to get my toes wet.
Draw off.